Hi guys, I hope you're well. I want to teach you a few shortcuts from the keyboard today. I hope you like it. You can use these shortcuts to work faster with the keyboard. One of the interesting shortcuts is the emoji shortcut that you can use in Windows 10. You can press the Win key and dot button together to use the emoji that's available in Windows 10. This will access the emoji available on Windows 10, and you can easily use all the emoji and sticker that are available on Windows 10. But for copy and pasting, use Ctrl+C to copy and use Ctrl+V for pasting. you want to open the start menu faster, you can use the winky button. Press the winky button, open the start menu faster. But if you want to move between Windows tabs, you can use the winky and tab button. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked the video and it was useful, please subscribe and like. Thank you.